वेलकम अगेन टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली साऊद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू अगेन अ हेल्दी and with full of proteins, that is salad of sprouted horsegram salad along with all this thing. So note down, this is 1 cup of sprouted horsegram. If you want to know how to sprout this, it's there also on my YouTube cooking channel. And if very easy, just wash it, soak the whatever lentils you want to sprout for around 3 to 4 hours, and then rinse the water, and then just you put it in a muslin cloth, and within 2 days you will get this. Then we need some parsley for our salad, some cucumber, some tomatoes. Then this is yellow and red bell pepper. Then we are using 2 apples, 3 onions, some kale leaves, which is very good, 2 green chilies, and half of this mashed melon, along with our other seasoning like salad seasoning, which I have already shown in previous salad. Now again I will show you. So now we have to chop this all nicely and then assembled it along with a salt and some black pepper powder will go. Then there is honey, then there is a little bit of lime juice. I will show you all, so stay tuned. Everything is nicely chopped, apples in cubes and everything. So now we will do our dressing also. So this is what we need: some olive oil, some honey, and this is lime juice, which is like of one big one. You get giant lime, that one. So in this is there some oregano, mixed herbs, and chili flakes, 1 teaspoon each. So let's mix this in this. Add a nice quantity of olive oil. So I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoon. Then we will add some honey. Honey is optional, but if you want salad dressing, then honey comes only 1 and 2 tablespoon. Then this is our Greek feta cheese. Some crushed pepper, black pepper powder. Then we will add our salt for this first, and some for this. Now again toss this all together like this, so the salt goes for all the vegetables and fruits. Let's now add our sprouted, in Konkan it is Kulith, and in English it is horsegram. So again, before we could add our dressing, let it get mixed with the vegetables first. Pour our dressing. Then our feta cheese, and done. Our salad is ready to serve. Hope you all will enjoy this salad. Again, this quantity is like if you are having like a dinner, then it's like one bowl you can have. If you are serving it for some party, then at least 20 to 25 people can easily be served. Thank you so much, and this all we will be garnishing it later while serving in the plate. Thank you so much. Jobare karo.
And here it is, lovely and crunchy sprouted horsegram with crispy vegetables and fruits and feta cheese salad. Thank you.